Audience is requested to kindly remain seated. Audience, please occupy your designated seats. We will be starting the proceedings very shortly. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the dignitaries have arrived and will be starting the proceedings very shortly. I request the entire audience to please be seated at the designated seats. We will be starting the proceedings very shortly.
इमरान जी
The audience is requested to kindly stand for the reception of the academic procession. Open the doors. The procession is led by Registrar, University of Kashmir, Professor Nasir Iqbal, Controller Examinations, Professor Majid Zaman. The procession is also graced by the University Council members, members of the University Syndicate, Academic Council, the Vice Chancellors of sister universities, Deans of various schools, and heads of departments. The academic procession. I request all the members of the academic procession to please move quickly and stand at their designated seats so that we can begin the proceedings. Members of the procession, please remain standing at your designated seats. The academic procession led by Registrar, University of Kashmir, Professor Nasir Iqbal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have amongst us on the dais the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, the Chief Guest of the 21st Convocation of the University of Kashmir, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Chancellor of the Universities of Kashmir, Shri Manoj Sinha, the Honorable Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and Pro-Chancellor of the University of Kashmir, Shri Omar Abdullah, the Cabinet Minister for Education, Health and Medical Education, Social Welfare in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Mohtarma Sakina Masood Ittuji, the Vice Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Nilofer Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request everyone to please remain standing in honor of the national song Vande Mataram, followed by the national anthem. सभा में उपस्थित सभी जनों से अनुरोध है कि वह कृपया राष्ट्रगीत वंदे मातरम और उसके बाद राष्ट्रगान के सम्मान में खड़े रहें. IT and SS team to play the national song Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
राष्ट्रगान शुरू किया जाए। The audience and dignitaries are requested to please be seated. Thank you all and members of the JK Police Band. We once again welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. I now request the Education Multimedia Research Center, University of Kashmir, to play the University Tarana. The University Tarana, please.
bahşiş Gelişine bakmazsı açınay Moç Kaşiri Kaşiri
Thank you, Education Multimedia Research Center, University of Kashmir, for the University Tarana. देवियों और सज्जनों, मैं प्रोफेसर सीमा सिंह कश्मीर विश्वविद्यालय की ओर से कश्मीर विश्वविद्यालय के इस भव्य सभागार में सभी महानुभावों और जी वकार मेहमानों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन और खैर मकदम करती हूँ। कश्मीर विश्वविद्यालय के 21वें दीक्षांत समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि महामहिम उपराष्ट्रपति माननीय श्री CP मानभूमिगु तुनै थलैवार थिरु CP राधाकृष्णन अवरगलक्कु वणक्कम। वणक्कम सर। हम तहे दिल से काबिले एहतराम मुल्क के नायब सदर जनाब CP राधाकृष्णन का दिल की अमीर गहराइयों से इस्तकबाल करते हैं और जम्मू और कश्मीर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश के महामहिम उपराज्यपाल माननीय श्री मनोज सिन्हा, जम्मू और कश्मीर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री उमर अब्दुल्ला, जम्मू और कश्मीर केंद्र शासित प्रदेश की शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य तथा सामाजिक कल्याण की कैबिनेट मंत्री मोहतरमा सकीना मसूद इत्तू, कश्मीर विश्वविद्यालय की कुलपति प्रोफेसर नीलोफर खान, सभा में उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों, आचार्यों और असातिज़ा किराम का भी इस 21वीं दीक्षांत समारोह में हम दिल के अभिवादन करते हैं। 21वें जलसाए तकसीम इस्नाद की इस पुरवकार तकरीब में तमाम फारिगु तहसील तलबा का भी तहे दिल से खुशामदीद। ये दिल की बरसों की मेहनत और कामयाबी का जश्न है। मंजिल पे आके कहते हैं सब अहले कारवां, अब जश्न फ़तेह मनाओ कि सफ़र तय हुआ। This convocation is a celebration of efforts, endurance, and the promise of a bright tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again, on behalf of the University of Kashmir, extend a warm welcome to all gathered here for the 21st convocation of the University of Kashmir. It is with immense pride that I now invite Professor Nilofer Khan, Vice-Chancellor, University of Kashmir, to deliver her welcome speech and present the report of the university. The Vice-Chancellor, please.
Thank you, Professor Singh. Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum and adab. Indeed, a very happy moment for University of Kashmir. Today, we are having our chief guest, Honorable Vice President of India, Shri CP Radhakrishnan. Sir, it's a matter of great honor and privilege to welcome you on this 21st convocation of University of Kashmir. I also welcome Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Manoj Sinha, Honorable Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, UT and Pro-Chancellor, Shri Umar Abdullah, Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Madam Sakina Masood Ittu, Honorable Advisor to Chief Minister, Shri Nasir Aslam Wani, Honorable Member Parliament, Honorable MLA Hazratbal, Shri Salman Sagar, Chief Secretary, Shri Atal Duluji, DGP JNK Police, Shri Nalin Prabhat, other senior officers of civil and police administration, especially administrative secretaries of higher education, planning departments, esteemed vice chancellors of sister universities, members of the University Council, syndicate and academic council, dear faculty, officers and staff, principals of affiliated and constituent colleges, proud parents, and my dear students, especially those who shall be conferred degrees and medals today, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you to the 21st convocation of the University of Kashmir. I cordially welcome our Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Madam Sakina Masood Itu. Ma'am, you are an inspiration for many young women as you stand as a reminder that is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Honorable Vice President, this occasion is both institutional and emotional to me. My journey began here as a student and evolved through various roles as a scholar, faculty member, director, dean, first woman registrar, and now with humility as the first woman vice chancellor of this historic university. Welcoming the vice president's democracy today, the university that shaped me is a moment of profound emotion and responsibility. Today marks a proud moment in the 78-year journey of the university. Established in 1948 as the University of Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated in 1969, the University of Kashmir has grown into a premier institution, higher learning, rooted in regional aspirations and aligned with national and global standards. Its logo reflects the civilization and secular ethos of its founders. Honorable Vice President, at this 21st convocation, a total of 59,558 degrees shall be conferred. These include 44,910 undergraduate degrees, 13,545 postgraduate degrees, 465 MD, MS, MDS, MCH degrees, and 638 MPhil and PhD degrees. In addition, 239 gold medals shall be awarded to meritorious students. I am especially delighted to share that among 239 gold medals, 186 are females and have excelled by dint of their hard work, sir. This achievement is a clear testament to the transformative role of higher education in enabling young women of a region to lead, innovate, and shape the future with conviction and capability. The university today comprises 14 schools, 84 teaching departments and research centers, and verticals of innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship. There are 3 satellite campuses at Anantnag, Baramulla, and Kupwara, Engineering College, and a regional center for distance learning at Jammu. University also has 209 affiliate colleges, including degree colleges, medical colleges, and engineering colleges. We continue to expand access to higher education for students in far-flung and undeserved areas. Total students enrolled in J&K degree colleges is 1,46,000 students, with 47,919 males and 66,157 females enrolled in over 58 major courses. The year 2025 marked a major milestone for the university with an A++ grade with CGPA 3.68 from NAC initial. In NRF 2025 with 34th rank in the university category and secured 8th position among state public universities. These achievements to dedication of our faculty, researchers, administrators, and students, of course. We have been among the pioneers in implementing the National Education Policy 2020 at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels of various integrated programs, and the innovative Design Your Degree program has enhanced curricular flexibility and multidisciplinary learning, blending academic rigor with practical and hands-on experiences for holistic development. In response to evolving job markets and technological changes, we have introduced various UG and PG level professional programs in AI, data science, cybersecurity, energy studies, archaeology, along with other skill-based and interdisciplinary courses. Sir, the university has built a strong innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem through dedicated centers established for centers like NewGen, Center for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship, Directorate of Lifelong Learning and Skill Development. It reflects our commitment to science among the youth. Beyond academics, student engagement is actively promoted through cultural and co-curricular activities. The university also strengthened its sports culture by hosting major, including the All India Inter-University Powerlifting Championship in 2025 with participation from over 200 universities across the country. Besides, we are hosting the All India Inter-University Wushu Championship this April with around 300 universities expected to participate. Our research ecosystem has grown significantly with key recognitions and major funding support. The Center for Interdisciplinary Research and Innovation has been designated as a Center for Advanced Research in Cancer Biology by ICMR, while the Department of Earth Sciences is recognized as a Center for Excellence in Glaciology. The university has secured major grants under PERS, DBT, Builder, and RUSA 2.0 since 2019. It has produced over 7,700 publications with more than 108,000 citations and an H index of 115, reflecting a strong and growing global research presence of our faculty and scholars. Ministry of Culture under Gyan Bharata Mission has provided a cluster center for Jammu and Kashmir, and our Department of Persian is the department which has been chosen for preservation and publication of manuscripts. Initially, an amount of rupees 2 crore has been sanctioned, which is extendable up to 12 crore under this pilot mission by the ministry. Our faculty and alumni have brought immense pride to the institution. Our alumni include Padma awardees, High Court judges, vice chancellors, civil servants, scientists, journalists, entrepreneurs, academicians, and police officers. Recently, Professor Shafi Shauk, former professor, Department of Kashmiri, was honored with the Padma Shri. Professor Ghulam Jilani, Professor, Department of Geology, received the National Geoscience Award for his contributions to Himalayan environmental studies. The university has adopted e-governance through a comprehensive administrative management system, ensuring paperless operations in the day-to-day working of the university. Beyond campus, the Directorate of IT and SS supports government departments and universities with customized digital solutions. We are also emerging as a destination for international students, welcoming scholars from countries such as Nigeria, Ethiopia, Malaysia, and other parts of the world. Our commitment to inclusivity is reflected in dedicated facilities for persons with disabilities, as we don't charge any fee from such students. As we move towards 2047, when India will celebrate 100 years of independence under the vision of Viksit Bharat, the University of Kashmir will simultaneously approach its centenary. Our aspiration is to emerge among the top institutions of our country as well as globally. My dear graduating students, your degrees are symbols of resilience, discipline, and aspiration. As you step beyond this campus, carry with you not only knowledge, but also compassion, integrity, and responsibility towards the nation. You are ambassadors of this university's legacy. As I conclude, I express my heartfelt wish that our students rise to the highest standards of excellence and character. Let them remember the inspiring words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. I once again express my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Vice President for gracing this convocation. I also thank the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Education Minister for their support and presence. I thank all distinguished guests, faculty, officers, staff, and their students for contributing to the growth of this institution. The university is indebted to the civil administration at all levels, especially to the divisional commissioner, deputy commissioner, their teams and police administration of J&K government, including IGP Kashmir, DIG, SSP and SP Hazratbal, and their entire team for their unwavering support. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Nilofer Khan, for officially welcoming the guest and presenting the report of the university. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we now felicitate the dignitaries on the dais. I now request the Vice-Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Nilofer Khan, to felicitate the chief guest of the 21st Convocation of the University of Kashmir, the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan. Could we have a huge round of applause from the audience, please? Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, ma'am. I once again request the Vice-Chancellor, University of Kashmir, to felicitate the Honorable Lieutenant Governor and Chancellor of the University of Kashmir, Shri Manoj Sinha. Could we have a huge round of applause from the audience, please? Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, ma'am. I now request the Vice-Chancellor, University of Kashmir, to felicitate the Chief Minister and Pro-Chancellor of the University of Kashmir, Shri Omar Abdullah. Could we request a huge round of applause from the audience, please? Thank you. Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, ma'am. We now felicitate the Cabinet Minister for Education, Health and Medical Education and Social Welfare in the Union Kashmir, Mohtarma Sakina Masood Ittu. Huge round of applause from the audience, please. Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, ma'am, for the felicitations. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I now invite the Registrar, University Iqbal, to take charge of the proceedings of the 21st Annual Convocation. The worthy Registrar, please.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and to everyone present here. May I kindly request the Honorable Chancellor, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
May I request the Honorable Chancellor, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, to allow the presentation of candidates.
Let the candidates be presented.
Sir, I present to you a total of 59,558 candidates, including 44,910, 13,545 for postgraduate, 465 candidates for MD, MS, MDS, MCH, and 600 for MPhil and PhD from different schools. All these candidates have been exempt